Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm creating this beautiful look right here, and starting off with my SPF from La Roche-Posay. I don't know how to say it, but yeah. Starting with my Anastasia Dip Brow pomade in dark brown, and then later on cleaning with my concealer. Yeah, shaping it. I'm using for foundation Anastasia 310C, I think, and now I'm just blending it. I'm using the powder from Chanel. It's a very good powder. It's very light to the skin, so it's like so seamless, you know. It's so good. This powder is just amazing. I love this powder. Right now I'm just shaping my, my contour, and I am not using too much of powder. I'm just using my hand, so that's it. Now I'm doing my eyes. So I always start with the lightest shade, and then later on I will just build up with the darker and the darker shade. And that purple shade I'm just using into my crease. Just blend it out. And this color I'm just using on my outer V. And this is so important, guys. You just have to blend it. And I'm going to make a cut crease. By the way, this look was inspired by Ariana Grande, so from the song Positions, yes. But anyway, I liked her look so much, so I just wanted to recreate it. And yeah, right now I'm just going with my old brush to give it an extra dimension. For my inner corners, I'm also using the Huda Beauty shimmers. It's so beautiful, you guys. It's like so pigmented. I love Huda Beauty. Yeah, that's right. So again, getting into my crease with the older brush. So I did my eyeliner and my lashes offline. I'm now bronzing my face. I use the Give Me Sun from MAC, and right now I'm using Chanel blush. This is also so good. This product is just amazing. I'm using the lip liner from MAC Cosmetics in shade Hoover. I love this shade as well. And the lipstick was from Huda Beauty. Sorry, I didn't film it. Just spraying my face to set it up for my beautiful shimmer highlighter. This highlighter is also so good. It's so pigmented, and NARS is also a very good product. Just going all over my face. And this was my makeup, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.